Hello everyone, this is Usman Ashraf from the Bizistech. Today we are going to talk about the very important topic on the Amazon account health. Before going to start the video, I want to share with you that what is Amazon account health is basically and why it is very important for the new sellers and the sellers that already selling on Amazon. So let's deep dive into the Amazon account health page. What is actually basically the Amazon account health page does? The Amazon account health is the page section that provides an overview of the selling adherences to the performance targets and the selling policies that are required to sell on Amazon. So let's dive deep into the performance Amazon account health page that we're gonna see how actually it works and how what are the performance matrices that a seller needs to assess and seller needs to very deep understanding about these policies. So let's go to the seller central. On the Seller Central dashboard, there is a performance section on the Seller Central dashboard. Click on the account health. Now this is the page of Amazon account health page. There is three important matrices that a seller should aware of these policies before going to sell on Amazon or already selling on Amazon. The first important section of the Amazon account health is the customer service performance. As we know that the customer service is very important in these days because Amazon is focusing on the improvement of customer services. So there is in customer service performance there are three important matrices that are covering under this customer service performance. The first one is the order defect rate. What basically the order defect rate is basically provides you the information about your orders defection, that if you are selling on Amazon and selling a lot of products on the basis of daily basis, so you are gonna have a it's normal on Amazon that there is an order defect rate happens sometime, and sometime your product is a very good condition and you are not gonna see this order defect rate. So in this case, if you are having an heavy order defects rates, then your order defect rate will be very high. But in this case, your account will be in crucial condition, and you're gonna face a lot of trouble while selling on Amazon if your account health and if your order defect rate is very high. In rare cases, in this happens in rare cases, but some in on the standard basis, the order defect rate should be at least under 1%. Amazon, this is an actual Amazon selling preference that Amazon does to the sellers. So in the order defect rate is measured on the basis of three more important matrices, and that is first one is about the negative feedback. So what is negative feedback? Negative feedback is the customer experience towards your product. That would be in a good form, and that would be in a very bad form. If you are having a negative feedback from the customers, then you are gonna get in very trouble. So let's talk about the another one, and that is A to Z guarantee claim. What is basically the A to Z guarantee claims does? The A to Z guarantee claim is actually all about the claims that are fined by the Amazon customer on your product. Let's say if you are selling on Amazon and you have sold the product, and the customer is not satisfied with the product, then he can file a to Z guarantee claim towards your product because he wants to get a refund on that product. And if you are not going to refund that customer, then you will be facing a to Z guarantee claim in this section. There will be a percentage showing, if you are having a to Z guarantee claim, there will be a 1% or 2% or the 3%, whatever the circumstances and whatever the products that you have sold, and what are the guarantee claims that you have got from the customers related to that satisfaction of the product. So let's talk about another one, and that is chargeback claim. Actually this section is basically provides the importance to the sellers, in sellers perspective and in the customer perspective. In customer perspective, the customer will file a claim against your bank transaction. In that case, if the customer is not satisfied with your product, then he can file a chargeback claim. And if you are not going to pay those selling fees and refund, you are not going to give him a refund, then he can file a chargeback claim against you. And in that case, you need to provide a complete evidence that can be in the form of a transaction, and in the form of in the form of documents, or in the form of a product images. Whatever the circumstances, you need to provide the information to the Amazon Amazon, so that Amazon can file and Amazon can assess the information that a customer has claimed against us. So this is about the chargeback claim. So these three important matrices is directly affected the order defect rate. It is directly concerned with the order defect rate. If in this case order defect rate should be and it must be under the 1% of your actual performance. If your order defect rate is above the 2%, then you are going to get big trouble. So this is a very important prospectus if you are selling on Amazon or you are already selling on Amazon. So let's talk about the another matrices, and that is policy compliance section. On this matrices, you can see there are many policies and many seller compliances that are offering by Amazon. The first one is about the suspected intellectual property violations. How does it works? Actually, this is about when you are going to sell on Amazon and you have created the listing on Amazon, you have used the brand name of any other competitor in your title, in your bullet points, or in any other part of your product listing, then you're gonna face a suspected intellectual property violation. What is the Then second one is the received intellectual property complaints. This is about the counterfeit products. If you are selling a counterfeit products on Amazon, then you're gonna see this received then you're gonna receive the intellectual property complaints in this section. The another one is the product authenticity customer complaint. If your product is not real, if your product is not good, and you are selling a duplicate product on Amazon, then you are definitely gonna face the product authenticity complaint in your Amazon account health page of the policy compliance section. Then another one is the product condition customer complaints. If you are selling a product on Amazon and you are selling in a used condition or you are selling in a good condition, but customer is not satisfied with your product quality, so this will be directed to the product condition compliance certificates compliance. The another one is the food and product safety. This is totally related to the food and safety products that customers and that sellers are selling on Amazon. What is and Another one is the listing policy violation. If you have violated the Amazon listing policies, then you're gonna get a big trouble, and those listing policy violation will be getting in there. And another one is the restricted product policy violation. If you are selling a restricted products on Amazon and the products that required are documentation and required are the evidence before going to sell on Amazon, and Amazon needs to approve these products before going to sell, then you're gonna face a restricted product policy violations in this section. Another one is the customer product review policy. As we know that Amazon is hardly pushing those sellers who are getting the fake reviews on Amazon. So basically this section is about the getting the fake reviews, and if you are getting a fake reviews on the Amazon product detail page, then you're gonna get a big trouble. I'm telling you. That section is about This section is basically about the fake reviews policies. If you are having a fake reviews, then you're gonna get in a big trouble. And the other policy violation related to the listing policies, whatever the title condition or the images condition, those policy violation will be covered in the other policy violations of the Amazon account health. The third and the last matrices of the Amazon account health page is the shipping performance. This section is about the FPM products. If you are selling under the FPM program, then this section of the shipping performance is for you. In this section, you can see there is a late shipment rate that should be under the 4% of your selling account. If you are having a late shipping rate above the 4%, then you're gonna get a big trouble, and Amazon is gonna deactivate, or Amazon will gonna suspend your account in a very quick way. So this is the late shipment rate. And another one is the pre-fulfillment cancellation rate. If you are having a pre-fulfillment cancellation rate under the 2.5%, then you are good to go. But if you are having a above the 2.5%, then you're gonna get a big trouble, and Amazon will gonna suspend your account, or Amazon will gonna revoke your privileges to sell on Amazon. Then another one, and the last one, is the value tracking rate. This is the value tracking rate. If you are selling on Amazon with the FPM model, and you have not a good condition of the value tracking rates, then Amazon will gonna warn you, and Amazon will gonna notify you about your value tracking rates. If you are selling a third party services to provide the products to the customer, and you are not going, and those third party sellers are not fulfilling that product under the timeline, then you're gonna face a value tracking rate violation on your Amazon product account health page. So this is all about the Amazon account health page. So I have discussed the three important matrices of the Amazon account health page. But if you can see, there is a voice of the customer section. This section is also another very important for the Amazon account health page. But I'm not gonna tell you about this section because we have already uploaded the video on our YouTube channel. You can find out the link of that video in the description section of our YouTube channel. So this is all about the Amazon account health page. I hope you got my points, and I hope these selling policies will be very helpful for you to get to sell your products on Amazon. So as a seller, you need to very careful about these policy violations and these customer services matrices that Amazon has already stated in the account health page. So basically, if you're having a great understanding of these important matrices, then you're gonna have a great experience on Amazon while you are selling. Okay. So as a professional seller on Amazon, if you are looking to expand your business, you should fulfill these product policy compliances. And if you are not fulfilling these policies compliances, Amazon will gonna suspend and Amazon will gonna deactivate your Amazon Seller Central account. So I hope you really like this video. For more informative videos about the Amazon Seller Central account or Amazon related videos, please do subscribe our channel. Thank you.